Hi everybody. Okay, so in this video we're going to look at changing the subject of more complex formula. Just being able to identify the fact that in this question the reason that you're having to do the process we're going to do is because there are actually two different values of x, and so therefore we're going to have to involve some factorising in this question as well. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is go through your rearranging process. This is a divide by x at the bottom, so when we take it over this side of the equal sign it has to become a times by x. We end up with Vx is equal to 1 plus 7x. So you want to try and create a linear equation to make things as simple for yourself as you can. So then your next step here is to get all your x's on one side of the equal sign. So this 7x over here has to go over that side. Now, identifying the fact that's a plus 7x, so when I move it becomes a minus 7x. So you've got Vx minus 7x is equal to 1. So that's your second process. Get your x's together, so get them on one side of the equal sign. And then from here, you need to identify the fact that you cannot simplify this. This is a Vx and this is a 7x, so therefore they can't go together. So you have to now go through that process of factorising. So x is in both. Then think to yourself, how do I get x to Vx? Well, I multiply it by V. And how do I get x here? How do I get x to 7x? But it's a minus 7x, so it should be minus 7. And that's equal to 1. And then you are taking this over the other side because you need to get x on its own. So x is equal to 1. And because that's in brackets on that left-hand side, when you take it over the other side, it becomes a divide by v minus 7. As I say, the reason there that becomes a divide when you move it is because x brackets v minus 7 actually means x times that. So because it's multiplied by v minus 7 to remove it, you actually divide it by v minus 7. So that's changing the subject when you have more complex formula and you have to factorise.